like that, and I think that these are really good and they don't do that. So hola mi gente, welcome back to my channel, bringing you some more tea today. So today I actually have, it's kind of like a try-on video for you today. It's a little fun. It's actually a company, an underwear panty company that reached out to me and have some goodies for me to try and some discounts that I'm going to be able to share with you. So I hope that you are as excited about that as I am for you. Before I get into today's video though and start talking about the company and showing you what they've sent me, don't forget to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell so that anytime I do upload new content, you will be notified. And we're going to go ahead and talk about this lovely company that was kind enough to send me some of their undies to try on. So, you know, I love doing try-ons and definitely love clothes and all things wardrobe, and that obviously includes undergarments. So there's this company, Splendies, and I guess the company was founded in 2013, so they've been around for a very, very long time. When I actually looked them up, I saw that yes, they actually have been around for a very long time, which says a lot about a company. As you know, when there's a company that's been around for many years, they're obviously doing something right. And they are located in Santa Monica, California. If you're anything like me, you love a good subscription, right? I love when, and especially depending on like the price point, if you're definitely getting something really good or valuable for a certain price point and it's worth it, a subscription to me is always just the way to go, especially when it's something you need on a pretty, you know, regular basis, right? So for us ladies out there, when it comes to panties and undergarments and underwear, that is something that you kind of have to zhuzh up every now and then, right? You need some like new and fresh ones. So what better way than a subscription where you can sign up for, where monthly they will actually send you 3 pairs a month. The sizes run from extra small all the way through 4X. So there is something for everyone with this company, which I thought was really great. It's very all-inclusive, if you will. So they are only, if you wanted to sign up for the subscription, they're only $16.99 a month for 3 pairs, which is really not bad at all. If you think about it, if you break it down per pair, that is way less than $10 a pair. But instead of paying $16.99 for the first month, you will actually get your first month free if you do choose to sign up for them today through the link that I'm going to share with you. So I'll share that link down below. But if you do go ahead and decide to sign up, your first month will be free. So go ahead and take advantage of that deal. You can sign up. If you wind up not liking the subscription, which I highly doubt, you will feel that way. You can always cancel at any time, but I think you will kind of appreciate getting 3 new pair of underwear every single month. It's not like it's a whole lot, it's 3 pairs. So it's I think like a perfect amount. You can, when you're choosing the style of underwear that you want, you can choose all thongs, you can choose all full coverage, or you can do a mix and do a surprise me, which will include a variety of thongs and the full coverage. Oh my God, they're so comfy. They're like the softest things ever. They're like really like thick too. They're not like a really thin material. These are so comfy. They're so silky soft, and they have little flowers all over them. Blue and pink flowers, so pretty. And it has like the cotton lining there, which I love because sometimes they don't, and I don't like that. And then these are a full coverage, gray, really cute. They actually are like a ribbed gray, and then they have the lace on top. And see on here, it says they're $14 each. So when you're getting a whole 3 pair for $16.99, like I said, they come out to like less than $10 each. You can't go wrong. I wish you could feel how soft these are. These are so soft, so cute. Oh my gosh, look. And then these are full coverage, And they have like blue little flowers all over them. Super, super cute. So let's see if we can get these on just to give you like a little idea of what they look like, and we'll be right back. So cute. This was pair number 1. And you love a subscription, I say go for it. You get 3 new pairs of panties a month. They're just so comfy, so cute. The company is called Splendies, and the subscription is $16.99 a month for 3 pairs of underwear. But if you decide to sign up today or use my link to sign up, you will get your first 3 pairs for free. So go ahead and sign up for the subscription so that you can get your first 3 pair on Splendies today. And I don't think you'll be disappointed, because who doesn't want to get something new every month? And what better thing to get than underwear when we can definitely use some new undies every month. And if you're a guy watching this, then I think you should purchase 3 pair and go ahead and sign up for the subscription and send them to your lady or someone special in your life, is what I think. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and take care. I will catch you in my next one. I have a workout gear review that I'm going to be doing for you that will be coming up next, so stay tuned. I can't wait to see you again in my next video. Take care. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave some comments below. What do you think about the company, if you're going to order, or which one was your favorite? Alright guys, talk to you later. Bye.